what's going on, you guys? This is Chad from CWC Technologies, and today we're gonna unbox the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Really been waiting a long time to get my hands on this ever since I saw it at the Samsung Unpacked event, and I'm super excited. Now, I also got the Galaxy Fit and the Samsung Galaxy Buds, so I'll also do separate reviews for that. Plus, I'm gonna have a full accessories video, including the white stone dome glass screen protector. I'll show you guys how to install it and do a review of that. Plus, I wanna thank my friends over at Ringkey for always hooking me up with cool cases for your new Samsung phones. Leave a link down in the description where you can get any of these products. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing video. Get out our handy dandy Italian toothpick knife. Get this bad boy open. Let's see what we've got here. Now up in the top of the box, SIM tray tool removal device. Don't worry, if you lose this, you can always use a paper clip. It seems like I'm always losing those. Go ahead and pull the phone out. Oh wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Now I've got the Aura Glow, so you can see when it hits the light just right, all those different colors. When it's not in the light, it actually looks like a mirror, which is really cool. And it's got this beautiful green tint to it. Just beautiful. Let's go ahead and set that aside for 1 second, see what else is in the box. You can see here that it has the brand new 25-watt power adapter. This should be able to supercharge our phone, and we'll do some tests on that just to find out. And you also get your adapter here. Looks like, yep, this is a USB-A to a USB-C so that you can connect any of your other devices to this and do a manual transfer of your data, including your iPhone. If you guys want to see how to transfer your information from an iPhone or another Android device, leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to do that for you. You can see here that they've got the USB-C cable. So this is a USB-C to USB-C. And they also include AKG headphones because the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus do not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. So what you'll need to do is go out and buy an adapter like I have here. Now this one's for the iPhone, but I'm gonna buy the same exact one for my Android devices, which is gonna be a USB-C. And then on the other end, it's gonna allow me to plug in power to this and also the 3.5mm headphone jack. The reason I like to do that is plug in microphones, headphones, anything else that I wanna do. So you can see it has this beautiful 6.8-inch display. Now there's no more power buttons over here on the right-hand side or a Bixby button. I'm right-handed and I always hold my phone with my right hand, so I was really curious how this is gonna be, but actually with it being on my finger, I think it's gonna do well. Feels really good in the hand. So first impressions, it feels really solid, all metal build, metal and glass. Oh, that's just a stunner. Man, that's beautiful. I'm so glad I went with the Aura Glow. I do like the white and the blue you can get. And of course the black always looks great. Now the blue you can only get from Best Buy or Samsung's website, at least right now. So this looks great. Let's go ahead and turn on the device to see what the screen looks like here. You can see it's powering up right now. So while that's powering up, let's go ahead and look at the brand new S Pen. Now, of course, the S Pen has new gestures this year, so you can actually wave it, flip the cameras. When I do my review, I'll actually list everything on there that this can do and how well it works. Fidget spinner.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Speakers sound good. All right, let's go ahead and set up this device and we'll come back and see how it looks. Okay, so I went ahead and I spent some time transferring all the information over from my iPhone to the Note 10 Plus, and this was the fastest out of any of the Android phones that I've ever had to transfer the data. The entire process took about 11 minutes, and I think the last time when I transferred from the S10 over, it took hours. I think it took around 2 hours. So the fact that this was like 10 to 15 minutes was way better. I actually plugged this in, so I got to fool around with the Samsung DeX just to see what that looks like. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll also do that. I've got some gaming videos coming up, some cameras, some comparison. I want to do a bunch of speed tests. You can see I put one of the Ringkey cases on here right now. Now this one is the This one is the clear. I'll leave a link down below where you can get yours. Again, thank you Rinky for sending me all of these. And that's gonna do it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, click that thumbs up and subscribe if you're feeling really generous, and I'll see you guys on the next video.